So guys, hello, I'm so sorry for my disappearing, and right now I have a lot of energy for you. So today I want to make unpacking for you. Yes, I have a very interesting product, and also I want to show you. Yes, let's begin. So I have a very interesting leggings. Yes, and that makes for interesting material. Yes, right now you can see general legends. Yes, you can see in the mirror. It's a general material, but this it's magic material. Yes, so I will show you. Wow, so these legends makes for elastic band material. Yes, you remember this elastic band, this they very elastic. Yes, you can see these lines. Thanks for these lines you can make your body very perfect. Yes, and as this instruction you can see, yes, high compression, tonic control, yes, and double size wear. So I think it's very beautiful legends. Yes, so I want very neat. It's very cute. For this you have pocket for phone. Wow, it's excellent. Also if you will wear these legends and don't have training, yes, just walk, just sit, go to the shop. Thanks to that legends your fat will be burned, yes, and your muscles will be boosted without training, only wearing these legends. Yes, we will check. Yes, we will check. So in the next video I will wearing these legends and will provide trainings for you. So thank you so much for waiting for me. Thank you for subscribes, likes and comments. Also I will waiting about feedback about these legends. And so have a nice day and bye bye.